Hi beautiful angels, this is Miss Tixie from Magic Vents Tarot and this is you versus them for Capricorns. Yes friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you friends. Also this is a general reading, it may resonate or it may not friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, subscribe friends, like and share. We work very hard, your support matters. So many of you watch but don't subscribe. Please subscribe, like this video, it keeps me motivated. Also friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way, and you can cross watch it for a Capricorn that you know friends. And in this reading friends, we are going to see how Capricorn you are feeling, how your person is feeling, how together things are. Let us see friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. So Capricorns, how is Capricorn feeling? Currently, how is Capricorn feeling? Oh my god. The Queen of Rods, very passionate, very focused. How is Capricorn feeling? The Five of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. Oh my god. We'll see how your person is feeling. That also, then I'll talk. The Fool, wow. You want a change, Capricorn. You are done. How your person, how Capricorn's person is feeling. Let's see that. How Capricorn. Oh, the Two of Cups, brilliant. The Ace of Rods. The Queen of Rods, oh my god. And the Hierophant. So Capricorns, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel currently Capricorns, you are feeling a lot of passion, a lot of attraction, motivation, but somehow you are also a little feeling a little restricted, a little blocked, like things are not going well. You feel a little left out also. I also feel like you are walking away from something, some disappointment or something, or you are focused on the past, why you had to end a relationship, why this person walked away from you, why you walked away from them. So you are thinking about many things. You are also very passionate, Capricorns, right now. So it's like you are very passionate and you feel restricted in some way. You want this new start, you want things to be exciting, to be very, moving forward fearlessly, but you feel currently a little restricted. But your focus is on new starts. Your focus is very positive, very passionate. How is your person feeling? They definitely want a new start. They want love. They want new beginnings with you. They want a partnership. Maybe this person is married or they have someone else in their life, or they are it's general, so it may resonate for some of you, it may not, but I feel it's 50-50. 50% of you, this person may have found another person, or they are trying to find another person, a new love relationship. For others, this person is focused on you. They want this partnership, this love, this new start with you. They feel a lot of attraction. They want to communicate with you. They are very clear on what they want. This could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. They want victory. They want. This person is ambitious, Capricorn. They are focused on achieving their goal. Their goal is this partnership, whether it is with you or with another person. They want it. They want to achieve it, and they are working for it. Maybe this person is married for some of you, or they want marriage with you, or they are already married, so that they are still thinking about you, I feel. Absolutely. Let's see. Or commitment is an issue, marriage is an issue between you and them. So what Capricorn wants in this connection to happen? Okay. Five of Cups, what Capricorn wants in this connection to happen. The Hanged Man, the transformation, the Hanged Man, And the Four of Swords, you want things to get better. You are not over this person. You want them back. You want them to see things from a new perspective. You want this person's love. You want to change things for them. You want to be their husband or wife. You are waiting for the right time. You are, oh my God, see the Ten of Cups fell down. The Ten of Cups. You want love from this person. You want family with this person. Let's see what this person wants to in this connection to happen. What Capricorn's person want in this connection to happen? Wow. Six of Cups, the Two of Swords, Three of Swords, and Temperance. This is a strong connection. This person wants to, this person is still a little focused on the hurt from the past. They don't know if they can trust you or not. Maybe there is a third party in this connection. Maybe this person is married, or you chose someone else, or you both are married, Capricorns. It is a general reading. Take whatever resonates. Don't worry about it. But this person is feeling like, can they trust you or not? Can they move? Can they open their heart or not? But they definitely want to. They know they are your soulmate or twin flame. They want to be with you. They want to bring things in balance with you. They love you. They care for you. This person wants to make things better, but they want to be sure it won't hurt them again. So let us see what will actually happen. This is what you want and this is what they want. But what will actually happen in this connection? Let's see that. What will actually happen in this connection? The Three of Pentacles. What will actually happen? The Moon, the Nine of Wands. No one is going to give up on this connection. See the Judgment. Absolutely, friends. There will be a chance for you and this person to work together. Capricorns, ahead. You both are supposed to work with each other, help each other. Something that is hidden will come to light. Some healing will happen, and some emotions will be shared, healed. You both want to work on this connection. No one wants to give up on this connection. There is judgment. If someone has hurted the other, or you both have hurted each other, some sort of a justice needs to happen. Some balance needs to happen or will happen in the future. The Hermit, the Knight of Cups. So definitely this person, I think in ahead there might be some time apart for both of you. You both will be taking some time to understand what went wrong, how to fix it. But then there will be a new start in this connection. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So definitely things are going to work out and there will be a new start in this connection. But I feel there will be some time or pause before it all happens. So what is the advice? Wow, flow, Ten of Wands, flow. I think you should let things flow for now. Let your emotions flow because you are tired. This person is also a little tired. So let things flow. Things will work out. Don't resist. Number 10 of Wands. Advice for Capricorns. Solar plexus. See, ego issues are affecting this connection. I think both of you, your egos are hurt. So it needs a little time to heal. And that is what is affecting this connection. Advice. Listen, number 2. So yeah, there are a lot of messages coming for you from the universe, from this person, from this connection. Focus on that. Focus on meditation and healing. Advice. Okay. And clarity is of Ace of Sword, clarity of belief. Yes, absolutely, a new start, a new clarity about this connection is going to come for you, friends. Definitely within a month or so, or maybe longer, but it is going to happen for you. You are on the right track. So that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vence Tarot. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vence Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye.